The 23rd Street Flyover project elevates US 98 over 23rd Street, Collegiate Drive, Seaport Drive, and the Bay Line Railroad. When construction began in 2016, this hurricane evacuation corridor was the busiest intersection in Bay County. The Florida Department of Transportation, or FDOT, responded to these challenges by constructing a safer route, allowing traffic to run efficiently. Motorists can now fly over the Bay Line Railroad without having to stop for trains because the traffic shift eliminated the need for a traffic signal at the 23rd Street US 98 intersection, as well as Collegiate Drive and Seaport Drive. An additional major improvement included widening the entrance at Port Panama City to better accommodate semi-trailer truck traffic and increase economic growth in the area. Maintaining the continuous flow of traffic along US 98 is an FDOT priority and is why construction of a temporary US 98 route was included in the 23rd Street Flyover's overall design. While construction of the temporary roadway was underway, contractors simultaneously began construction of some of the project's bridge, ramp, and mechanically stabilized earth wall foundations. Hundreds of cubic yards of fluid concrete, hundreds of thousands of pounds of rebar reinforcing steel, and over 500 pre-stressed concrete pilings were utilized during the construction of the bridge footings, pier columns, and hammerhead pier caps, which provided foundation support for the project's permanent bridges and ramps. The project is connected through a system of 6 bridges and 9 ramps. The 9-ramp system enables motorists to travel between ground level and elevated portions of US 98. When bridge deck construction began, the placement of multiple 100 to 250,000 pound steel tub girder and concrete Florida U-beams continued changing the project's overall landscape. Due to their weight and size, careful consideration was involved in the delivery and setting of these massive beams from before the time they arrived on site to the final setting of each beam. In April 2017, FDOT diverted US 98 traffic to temporary US 98 to alleviate traffic slowdown and increase worker safety. The traffic diversion allowed for new construction of the US 98 bridges and ramps and Collegiate Drive intersection improvements to continue. Collegiate Drive is one of the main entrances to Gulf Coast State College, Florida State University, Panama City, the Career Source Gulf Coast Bay Economic Development Alliance Building, Carl Gray Park, and the boat ramp. The Collegiate Drive South realignment improves traffic flow into and out of the area by improving the traffic pattern. Upgrades include new traffic signals and the realignment of Collegiate Drive for easier access to and from US 98. Signalization improvements at the 23rd Street and Collegiate Drive intersection are also part of the project. Motorists enjoy 2 extended left turn lanes, a dedicated right turn lane onto 23rd Street, a lengthened left turn lane onto Commodore Circle, and a dedicated left turn bike lane. In fall 2019, FDOT shifted westbound traffic from temporary US 98 to the newly constructed US 98 elevated bridge deck and ramp system. In spring 2020, eastbound US 98 traffic shifted off of temporary US 98 onto permanent US 98 to allow for the final phase of construction. Travel lanes on the Hathaway Bridge increased from 3 to 4 lanes when contractors added an additional travel lane in each direction. The new lanes align with the 23rd Street Flyover's 4 travel lanes, allowing for free traffic flow through this heavily traveled corridor. After opening the final bridge ramp in fall 2020, contractors focused on removing the temporary US 98 detour, expanding one of 2 stormwater ponds, and completing construction of the US 98 West ground level access to US 98 East. The 23rd Street Flyover is 1 mile in length from the west end of the Hathaway Bridge to east of Michigan Avenue and provides continuous movement along US 98 and 23rd Street.
The things we celebrate is the fact that we not only deal with the port, give better access, we eliminate the rail crossing, which again helps us with freight, and we take a spot that has caused a lot of delay in the past and make it a free flow. This is a great day for Panama City. It's a great day for Bay County and also for District 3 as we're here to celebrate a project that we've been working on a very, very long time.